Namaskaram friends. So how are you? Hope fine. Today I am gonna tell you how to install Python IDE and how to install pip and download some packages. So let's begin. For this, first you have to, of course, visit my blog Geeks or Geeks. I will provide the link of this blog in description if you are new. First visit this blog and then download Python from here, or you can directly download Python from python.org. Now you may download from here executable installer, or you may download from here directly. I will cancel it because it is 32-bit. I need 64-bit. It may take few seconds. Wait. Please make sure if your system is 64-bit, then download 64-bit engine only. If your system supports 32 bits, then download into 86-bit. Now we will add to path. Simple install now. It may take a while. Please wait. It is taking time, longer than usual. Now see, it is installed. To check whether Python is correctly installed in our system or not, run command prompt as administrator. Type Python. See, it is saying Python 3.8.3. So it is correctly installed in our system. We will execute some Python. Okay. Cool. Python is successfully installed in our system. Now let's come to our second part, installing pip. First the question arises, what is pip? Pip is a package manager for Python packages or modules, if you like. For your knowledge, Python version 3.4 or later have pip pre-installed in it. It is pre-included by default, so no need to install. I will show you. We will open command prompt, pip version. See, it is saying pip 19.2.3. so we have already installed pip in it because it is greater than version is greater than 3.4. it is 3.8.3, 3.8c, Python 3.8. Now let's move to our third part, how to install packages. See, what is package? Then question arises, you may be wondering what is package. A package contains that all files you need to for a module. Modules are Python code libraries you can include in your project. Okay. See, this is if you are using older version of Python, then you may download and install Python like this. Very simple. Download pip get minus pip dot py file from here, and then just run this, and pip will be installed in your system. You may verify the installation by pip help. See, it will give all. Now we can install libraries into it. So any library you can download. Package and libraries are similar, same. We can say package or library. You may also upgrade or downgrade your pip version, okay, by these methods. For upgrading, Python -m pip install -- upgrade pip. For downgrading, Python -m pip install pip equal to and the version you want, earlier version. Now for downloading, nothing, it's not rocket science, just as simple. Pip install, I will install suppose pandas. Panda is a library. So it may take a while. Our internet connection is good. Please wait for a while. See, successfully installed. Now it is warning that if we can it is our previous version, we can upgrade our pip, no need, ignore that. Now I want to check the libraries installed in my Python pip list, and I will get the list of libraries. Now I want to check whether my library is successfully there or not. Simply type Python. Now import pandas. See, it is successfully including library. So we learned how to install Python IDE, how to install pip, and how to download packages, how to upgrade pip. So this was all lecture. If you have any queries, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching video. God bless you all. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe channel and press bell icon for latest tutorials. Jai Hind.